Hello penny pickers, my name is Dehan and welcome back to your number one place for all your investing needs. I'm back guys, I'm recording this live from my home and today we're going to be discussing the next Reddit penny stocks to buy. These are going to be 4 silver stocks to watch right now. So 4 silver penny stocks to watch right now as we're having a huge Reddit buying, of the silver stocks as they moved on from GameStop, AMC, Express and many other companies. Now silver seems to be targeted even though from what I've seen on the Reddit, they are actually saying that they are not the ones targeting the silver stocks or the silver ETFs, that it is the hedge funds. But we're going to be going over some penny stocks that have some potential as they are involved with silver. So let's see what happens with these one, guys. So the first silver penny stock on our list is going to be Comstock Mining Inc. So one of the things you'll probably come across reading about mining stocks in general is that not many of them have the same news flow as you would see from a biotech company. For instance, needless to say, this sector sentiment has become a big driver for silver stocks as it tends to be for most precious metals. Now, Comstock Mining develops mineral resources with a strategic focus on high-value, cash-generating, environmentally friendly mining. This company also has significant interest in the property in the historic Comstock and Silver City mining districts. Standouts for Comstock is its approach to mining. It has become far more aware of its environmental responsibility and taken up a strategy to implement enhancements in technologies offering processes for precious and strategic metal recovery. Now, right here is going to be, a quote from the CEO. We sustained all of our scheduled cost reductions and subsidies, repaid our senior secured debt, and implemented our realignment objectives of 2020. Positioned ourselves for new high growth activities. The successful sale of Luciner enabled the repayment of all of our senior secured debt, with monetizing non-strategic assets funds the implementation of our strategic plan. This is what the CEO said. So LODE shares saw a big jump last summer and have traded sideways since then. But last week on Friday, however, the stock saw a spark of momentum once again, and on Monday it saw another huge gain. So let's check this one out and see what's in store for it for the rest of February. So this one right here, LODE is the ticker symbol. It was up about 116% today. So it was up about $1.59, currently trading at right under $3. So as we can see, this stock has been, trading here at around $1 per share pretty much for half of, 2020. So that's where our support area was. And now we just broke out of it. So we just destroyed everything. We destroyed all of the, all of the 52-week highs, the resistance levels, everything you could think of. So this chart is not really going to help us much, but let's take this on the 5-day and let's see what's been going on lately. So it was trading around this $1 level. Then we saw right here about the 29th, this stock started to jump on up right before close, and then going into today, obviously, this one continued to jump on higher. So volume was huge today. We had some huge volume. Volume was just amazing. If we take a look actually right here, let's see what was the volume. 320 million shares traded, and the stock jumped, about $1.50, a little bit higher than that. So over 100% gain on this one. Now, what we're going to be looking out for this one is for this silver movement to continue to go. If it does continue, we could definitely see this one reach about the $5 high. So that's going to be our price target for this one. We're going to set a price target of $5 per share for LODE. We're going to see if we can hit that in the next few weeks and what happens with silver and just the whole situation going on with the whole Reddit and everything else going around it. So $5 is going to be our price target for this one. Let's see what happens throughout February. Now, as always, guys, I appreciate each and every one of you, and you guys help the channel grow, so go ahead and smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 100+ likes in the first 24 hours of this video being up. Also, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I make a new video. We make videos on penny stocks, dividend stocks, blue chip stocks, any type of stocks you can think of. So if you guys are interested in that, stick around. Leave a comment below what you guys think about these silver stocks and just, these penny stocks and just the whole Reddit situation overall. Leave a comment below. Let's discuss. If you guys want to sign up for Webull, there's going to be a link in the description. Get your 4 free stocks when you sign up with Webull today. The second silver penny stock on our list is going to be Almaden Minerals Ltd. So this one, shares of Almaden were in a strong uptrend for most of 2020, but in December, AAU stock ended up cratering due to the uncertainty surrounding the company's Teca gold and silver project in Mexico. But at the start of 2021, Almaden began to recover slowly. In fact, taking Friday out of the equation, shares of AAU stock have managed to rebound by as much as 75% from the December lows. Now, this one last week Friday, the stock ended up making new 2021 highs after trading some of its largest volumes in years. Almaden owns 100% of Azteca projects in Puebla State, Mexico, subject to a 2% NSR royalty held by the Almaden Minerals Ltd. Now again, Almaden hasn't had any, many new developments recently. However, the momentum behind precious metals, including silver, has helped give a boost on Monday especially. So this one is on fire as well, just like all these other silver stocks right now. They're getting a huge push. So this one, ticker symbol AAU. Currently, it was up about 27.73% today, or about 20 cents. The stock is trading at 92 cents per share, almost 93 cents per share. Now, I was trying to look at the chart right here, but the chart seems to be glitched up, so we're going to have to use this right now for our chart. As we can see, the stock right here, it was trading at around 27 cents, 26 cents back in March 2020. The stock continued to trend on up all the way up here until about mid-November. It hit $1.21. And then, like we just said in that article that we read, the stock sold off from $1.20 all the way down to about 47 cents per share. And then, recently in the beginning of January, once this whole silver craze started going on last week, the stock went from about 54 cents, moved up a little bit, and then today we saw it go up another 27 cents. So currently trading at that 92 cents area. Now what we're going to be looking forward to is a resistance area. So resistance is going to be around this $1.20 area. If we can break through this resistance of around $1.20 area, we can continue to run. I'm going to give this one a price target of around $1.50. What do you guys think? Leave a comment below. What do you think about the price target? I think it's a decent price target for this one to consider for the next few weeks, especially going further on through February as this silver craze continues to go. I believe that a lot of these miners are going to be, booming for the next few days, or at least the next couple of weeks, as a lot more investors are going to be looking into silver, gold, and any other, minerals they can think of. The third silver penny stock on our list is going to be Great Panther Mining Limited. While it didn't have the milestone day Almaden had, there was a noticeable move in the stock, obviously. Shares of GPL stock have weathered much of the storm that it hit certain mining stocks in late 2020. However, GPL did have a bit of a slide early this year. The miners started the year trading around 89 cents per share and ended up dropping to lows of 75 cents per share. Interestingly enough, this 75 cents area is one that GPL has bounced off of several times, so we have a support area right there over the last few months. In July, October, and November, shares dipped to this area on the chart and, like clockwork, ended up rebounding soon afterwards. Now, the last few sessions have mirrored this same trend. What's more, Great Panther also has a fundamental event to take notice of. Last week, the company filed its technical report on the 2020 mineral reserves and mineral resources of the Tucano gold mine, Apa State, Brazil. The report supports the Great Panther's updated mineral reserve and mineral resource estimates for Tucano announced in release in December. So aside from this, the company has announced its fourth quarter and annual 2020 production results from its three 100% owned mines in Brazil and Mexico. Consolidated metal production came in at 150,051 gold equivalent ounces. This was inclusive of 133,031 AuOZ and 1,118,094 silver ounces, which is about a 2% increase from the year previous in 2019. So ticker symbol is going to be GPL. It was up about 18.79% as the close on Monday, currently trading at around 95 cents, just like the previous stock we talked about. So this one was up about 15 cents today. As we can see, down here was trading at around 25 cents last year at the beginning of the year. It spiked on up all the way, just like the previous one, all the way to about $1. Then we saw a little bit of a sell-off going through the rest of November and December, hitting that support. Once again, we see that support around that 75 cents area. And like we always say, previous resistance areas are current support area. So before there was a resistance area around this 70 cents area, 75 cents. Now we see a support level hit here once, twice, almost three times, and then now we hit it again actually last week at around that 75 cents area, and boom, we took off. So this time we took off. If we can continue and break through this $1 area, break through that $1, $1.05 resistance area, this one can continue to boom. And if it does, I definitely see around a $1.30, $1.40 price target for this one, at least in the next few weeks or the next few months as we go into 2021, especially with this silver craze once again that we're talking about right now. And last but not least, it's going to be the number 4 silver penny stock on our list. It's going to be Avino Silver and Gold Mines Ltd. So one of the standout among mining stocks is Avino Silver. The company is a silver producer with a pipeline of silver, gold, and base metal properties in Mexico. Now, similar to the other names on this list, ASM has benefited greatly from the excitement in the broader mining sector, specifically to silver, obviously, as we see this huge wave going on right now where they're trying to force this squeeze, basically. Interesting to note is what was recently filed amid the surge in silver momentum. Vino filed an at-the-market share offering for up to $25 million last week. Usually when companies announce financings, shares tend to drop on fear of dilution. However, with the rampant buying of silver penny stocks right now, this has almost been a non-event for traders. Will that end up coming back to bite them down the line? Is this going to continue or not? So let's take a look. ASM is the ticker symbol. This one was up about 50.41%, so a little bit higher than the two previous ones. It was up about 62 cents. Currently trading at $1.85, so almost at the $2 level. We see here it was trading around 30 cents last year. So just imagine if you loaded up on some silver last year, how it would have affected you right now. You would have, made some massive gains, over 500% gains on that. Now we see a support level right here throughout most of 2020 around this $1 area. We continue to bounce off of it. Then we saw here towards the end of December, we bounced off of it, hit up here to about a high of $1.50, and which was a previous resistance level right here. If you can see in August, same level, same thing happened, bounced down. We hit that level once again in January, bounced down. But thanks to this movement that we're having with the whole Reddit and everybody, jumping in on the silver squeeze, this one has actually jumped up a little bit. So it broke through this $1.50 resistance. Now we're at $1.85. If we can continue this move, obviously we're going to be hitting some more 52-week highs. I'm going to give this one a price target of $2.50. I think this one can continue to squeeze through and go all the way to about $2.50, especially with this going on right now. I think it has a lot of potential. Volume is picking up. We saw almost 3 million shares traded today. Usually this trades around 1 million shares every single day. So I see some nice potential, especially since the silver stocks are booming right now. So let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this one? So as always, guys, this is just some speculation going on right now. A lot of people are saying that the Redditors are squeezing the silver stocks, but if you go on Reddit, if you read those posts, they're saying that they are not the ones, that are pushing silver penny stocks or silver stocks just in general, like ticker symbol SLV. They are saying that they are not the ones doing this, but who knows? We have to wait and see. As a trader, we have to find these opportunities, and even if it's not the Reddit group, somebody is definitely trying to squeeze these silver stocks, and this is going to be a great opportunity for us. I know many investors that have gotten in some calls last week with options trading. They've made 100, 200% gains over the weekend because of what happened on Monday with silver popping up a lot during the trading day. So we're going to have to keep a close eye on this one throughout the next few weeks and throughout the rest of February, see what happens, what this Reddit group and what they are doing right now, if they're going to continue to go with the, GameStop and AMC, or they're going to transfer to these mineral stocks like the silver. So let's see what happens, guys. As always, this is not financial advice, guys. If you guys want to trade any type of stocks, speak to your financial advisor, do your own due diligence, because penny stocks especially can be very, very volatile, and this is just for educational purposes. So guys, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more content like this, leave a comment below what do you guys think about the silver craze going on right now, and as always, hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.